Okay guys, this is Shona once again signing in YouTube. Today I want to teach you another tutorial. The date is October 26, 2011, 18 a.m. here in the Philippines. So, okay, let's do this fast and easy. Okay, tayo mo tutorial this, okay? Una mas tutorial, how butters evaluate recovery tools. Recovery pay tools, okay? Why Republic style. So let's start. Okay. First you must open your program. I already opened it, okay? Why this one is paid? It has a lot of multiple things to do. You can do, okay? These tools can do so many things. For example, Evolus recovery system. For example, what? Okay. See, Evolus recovery system here, where you can log in, load the boats, load the name list, load some proxies, okay, and load the password list. This is a cracker, okay. For example, I'm loading what name list. Okay. Example, I'm loading. Here, list ID in the room. Open. Okay. Now, load password list. Okay. Load the password. Okay. Load the password. Loading. There it goes. Then load the proxy. And loading the proxies. Here. It goes. And we're complete. Then what you want to do is sound on. Okay. Then start it. Just start it. Okay. Then you see I'm cracking the names. Okay. Proxy list. As you can see, it's working 100%. Okay. Flash options. Okay. Flash options. And you can open login editor in here. There. Examples login order. There it goes. Login editor. Okay. And back to start. Okay. Just showing you. Okay. It will take us maybe so many minutes if I will I will do this not jumping from one tool to another. So I'm just showing you guys that this works. Okay, how to save recover's account. Where there's a crack, ID's crack, it will appear in here. Okay, yeah. So let's close this one. So the next thing is from here. Okay, from here, Everlast recovery system. I will go to Everlast proxy retriever. Okay, it's here. Okay, now Everlast proxy retriever. This is Everlast recovery system here. Everlast proxy. This can retrieve a proxy. Okay, it's proxy retrieve. It can if you load some proxies, okay, and load the links to each, it will save the available and good proxies in your system. Okay, it will scan your proxies. Okay, it's proxies scanner of good proxies. Okay, so there's the second one. I may have a part of this code because this has so many features. Okay, and what Everlast range scanner. What does that mean? I will tell you. Okay, this is the third one. Here. Everlast range